To slim down the chin area, you can make easy changes such as getting the right haircut, doing chin exercises, and improving your posture. Makeup can also help by strategically covering up the chin and drawing attention to other areas. When it comes to hairstyles, avoiding cuts that rest at chin level or very long hair is recommended, while a medium cut just below the chin is ideal. For men, growing a beard can help balance out the chin and neck area. Avoid wearing choker necklaces and opt for broad, open necklines instead. Maintaining good posture is important to prevent unnecessary lumps and bumps. Chin lifts, neck rolls, and exercises for neck and jaw muscles can all help strengthen and tighten the chin area. Chewing gum and engaging in general exercise, such as running, swimming, or biking, can also contribute to weight loss and a thinner face. Seeking medical advice is recommended if there are fluid retention issues around the chin area. Ultimately, it's important to appreciate oneself beyond physical appearance and focus on confidence, self-expression, and personal worth.